Federal High Court don sentence Maina to 8 years imprisonment for fraud matter. Federal High Court for Abuja don sentence the former chairman of Pension Reform Tax Team wey no dey exist again, Mr. Abdulrasheed Maina, to 8 years imprisonment sake of say him do 419 with pensioner money. Court tok say him use wayo open account for Fidelity Bank. Court still tok say Oga Maina use corner hide the true identity and signatory for the account wey him open for UBA and Fidelity Bank, sake of say him use people name take open account for their bank. For inside this account, dem discover 300 million naira, 500 million naira and 1.2 billion naira. Court tok say Oga Maina thief pensioners money as him no fit explain how him take get the money wey dem see for him account. Still on top the matter, wahala still burst as operative of EFCC and security official from Kuje Correctional Center begin fight on top who go remand Maina for prison. From Abuja, Usatuame Obede for TMC News.